Hello! You're ready to start your StackZone journey. Let's create a StackZone account and deploy your StackZone in a few simple steps. To create a new StackZone account, click on Sign Up. You can sign up with your Google or Microsoft account or use an email address to create your account. Make sure you use your business email address here, as it will be the primary user to manage the StackZone account. Fill in your company information details. If you don't have a company name, just enter your full name. It's not compulsory to provide us with your tax ID. When you finish, click Next to review our agreement. Please read carefully. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us using the help bubble on the right. If you need to modify any of the company details, you can do it here. When done, just click Next. Rest assured that you won't get billed during the first 12 months if you are in the starter tier. For more information about pricing, go to stackzone.com/pricing. Now, let's confirm your identity by adding a mobile number and entering the code received. If you haven't received the confirmation code, make sure you have entered your mobile number correctly. If you just want to explore StackZone, you can select I want to explore. But now, let's build your StackZone on AWS. Select AWS as your initial cloud platform and click Next. We need your AWS Organization ID. If you haven't created one yet, click on the Help icon next to Organization ID to find instructions. Add your Management Account ID. This is the account where we will deploy the StackZone on AWS Initial Stack, and it must be the organization's AWS Management Account. Select the primary region where we will deploy the automation and the extra enabled regions you require for your workloads. By default, your primary region will be one of the enabled regions. It's very important to indicate the correct organization ID, account number and regions. Using incorrect details at this point will result in issues and delays with your StackZone initial setup, so pay extra attention and double-check before continuing. It's mandatory to have enabled trusted access for Stack sets. To do it, just click on the link and it will take you to AWS for you to enable it. Click Next and let's fill out all the details for our core accounts. Core accounts are the accounts that are used to deploy services shared among your workloads accounts. Indicate the email address of your primary account. If you haven't created any other accounts, StackZone will do it for you. Just indicate the email address of your choice for each of the core accounts. According to AWS requirements, each account must have a unique email address. If you already have AWS accounts and you would like to make them part of the StackZone core ones, we can onboard them. Just indicate the email address of the AWS account that you want to become one of the core ones. If you're unsure about how to onboard an existing AWS account, please contact us using the chat widget on the right. Indicate what are the names for your non-core organizational units. These are where you will place your workloads accounts. Once done, click Next. In order to accelerate the adoption of best practices, we crafted a series of blueprints that, by default, enable certain functionalities on StackZone from day one. You can read what is included in each of them and select the most appropriate for your workloads. Once you click Next, please review all the information on the summary section and generate your magic link. When clicking on the Generate Magic Link button, and once the link is generated, make sure that you're logged to your AWS management account with administrator permissions. Next, deploy StackZone. This will take you to the AWS console and you will create a single infrastructure as code stack that will deploy everything for you. This process takes less than 20 minutes. After this, you're ready to start exploring your StackZone console and start making your cloud simple and secure with us. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. Welcome to StackZone.